Now, I don't know about your supermarket, but where I shop, the breakfast cereal aisle is about 3 miles long. It takes you all day to walk from one end to the other. And since most of us grew up on that stuff, it's no wonder we usually reach for something sweet for the first meal of the day. I know I often do. But I do like to balance things out with a savory breakfast at least a few times a week, especially on the weekend. And that's why I just love the 3 recipes that I'll be featuring in a live class next weekend called The Savory Side of Breakfast. Now, the first is a dish called Eggs in Purgatory, not to be confused with Eggs from Hell, which is basically all the eggs we're buying these days. The purgatory part of this delicious dish refers to this spicy, hot Italian tomato sauce that we poach the eggs in. It's a sauce you can tailor to suit your taste buds, or maybe add a few leftovers too, like a bit of Italian sausage. Now, I like to spoon these eggs over a warm focaccia, but I've seen them served on top of mashed potato patties too, and that looks really nice. Now, if you love smoked salmon, and who doesn't, you're going to really love our next recipe, a smoked salmon, egg, and Boursin and cheese breakfast burrito. What a mouthful, huh? We put all that and more in a big flour tortilla. We roll it up, heat it, and man, oh man, does it make one hearty breakfast sandwich to share with your bestie, or maybe just yourself. Now, you know those little Panera soufflés that you can get made with flaky pastry? I think it's puff pastry. Love them. Our third recipe is my take on those, only better. Our spinach, bacon, and cheese version is impressive as all get out, but not so involved that you wouldn't make it any weekend. This just might get your vote for Recipe of the Year. So that's it. You don't want to miss this class, and these recipes, they are really something. And remember, if you can't make it live, you can always make it later because you get lifetime access to the recipes and the replay. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you in class.